Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today this is about to be the most lit dance tutorial on the internet. See if you can guess what song we're dancing to. I'm gonna give you a hint. Hold on. Baby Shark, I'm gonna teach it to you guys step by step. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on notifications, and I'm putting the link to the original video down in the description box below so we don't get copyrighted. We're not gonna use any music over here. I'll be teaching it to you, and then you can go check out the original video over there. If you're not already following me on Instagram yet, go hit me up at Steffanina. We're doing a lot of exclusive comedy and dance and fun stuff over on Instagram. All right, anyway guys, let's get to the tutorial step by step. Baby Shark. All right guys, so Baby Shark remix, let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is hold a pose, any fresh pose that you're feeling. You know, you can coordinate something with your partner if you dance with a friend. Then on the one, you're gonna hit the classic, the legendary Orange Justice. I think we all know how to do this. If not, you start by rolling your hands up, boom, little hop to the right, and then you're just shifting back and forth. Your hands cross and uncross. And really important, make sure you're dropping your level as you do this. You wanna kinda like roll on your ankles and just don't make it look cool. Like don't try to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not cool. Just make it lazy. Your face, you wanna have an expression either like somebody was touching your stuff that shouldn't be messing with your stuff. Like you're a little angry about it. Maybe you just smell some really good pizza and you're hungry, like, that smells good. There's a lot of choices. You do you, but I'm just giving you options, right? So you're gonna do this for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna hit ya, and jump out to here. Now again, I'm sure you guys probably all know this move. It's just your leg hitting forward. Every once in a while I see something crazy on the internet where people going like this, or like, I don't know what's happening. Leg, hand, same time, boom, pose. Now when you hit this pose, you're gonna hold it for 4 counts, which is a long time to stay still, but this is your moment to just flex on the haters. Boom. Let them know. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then on the one, you're gonna lean to the right, you're gonna lean back, you're gonna lean left, and then you're gonna come zoom back to the center. Now, if you're doing this with a friend, like I did with Everleigh in the video, I went right, back, left, and then I went zoom, and I set up because I'm gonna control her on this next part. All this is 7 beats. You're going right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with your shoulders and your body tilting down. If you're controlling somebody, same thing. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy. Then from here, this is where the choreography gets a little more intricate. You're gonna step on your left foot. You're gonna go up and pull. Then on your right, up and pull. Then 2 jumps. You're gonna go right, left, just hype the crowd. Then you're gonna scoop down, zoop, and come together. Then from here, this is like kind of like a modified hit them folks. So you remember that one. You're gonna go cross and whop. Cross and whop, little kung fu, punch, 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 right, left, right, and then you're gonna bring your feet together like this. So my feet literally just go like D. There's no specific footwork. D. Your hands pull, and if you give it like a little bobblehead, like a little shaky like this, it looks dope on that beat. Then this is where you have some freestyles. So if you're doing this by yourself, you're gonna freestyle for the whole 8 counts. If you have a friend, maybe a few friends you're doing this with, you can kind of pass it off. You can each do a few counts. So I pointed to her first, boom. She was like, yeet, yeet. She did this cool heel stretch thing that I can't do. Dope. She pointed back to me. Boom, I did some of this. I don't know what I did because I was freestyling. Yo. And then at the end, I pull her like this. And that's gonna be on the counts 3, 4. So you're gonna freestyle all the way up until 1, 2. You're gonna go 3, 4. And then, big finale. Now listen. I can't do a split. Never been able to do a split in my entire life. So if you can't do a split and you're with somebody that can, you stand in the back and you do this. This is like cheating split. This is I don't go much further than this. That's cool. Okay, cool. If somebody can do a split or close to it, boom, they're gonna slide in front on this part. They're gonna go zoom, their leg's gonna go out way further. And then this is what they're gonna do. They're gonna go right, left, boom, like this with their hands. If you're standing in the back, the no split gang, what's up? You're gonna go right, left, boom. So you're both basically doing the same thing. You're just kind of controlling their head and then here. Now, one really important thing, if you have somebody filming this, they have a very important job at the end. As soon as you guys go boom, they gotta go zoom with the camera up to the ceiling, up to the sky, whatever it is, and then cut your video right there so it loops right back to you in your pose at the beginning, because that's the end. Amazing work, amazing work, amazing work. All right, now, we're gonna put the whole thing together from the top, and then I'll give you guys the link to go check out the video with the music so you can practice and upload your covers. Here we go, 5, 6, pose 7, 8, you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, hold 6, 7, right, boom, 2, 3, and doom, 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 1 and 2, 3, and jump, whoop, whoop, scoop, 7, and geek, geek, whop, geek, geek, whop, doom, 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 brrr. She freestyles, 3, 4, me, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, da, 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 camera up. And you guys killed it. Remember, you can always rewind this many times as you need. The link to the actual dance video with the music is down in the description, so you guys can go practice it over there. But once you guys learn it, we definitely want to see your covers. Make sure you tag me in them. I'm gonna be shouting a bunch of y'all out that kill this on my story. Also, we're gonna be reposting your videos on the Epic Dance Videos Instagram, which is gonna be crazy. So tag us, subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to turn on notifications. This is where I post all my tutorials. We got dance and lifestyle, fitness, everything over here. Make sure you guys join the family. I'll see you back here on the channel real soon. Thanks for watching. Skirt, bow, down, hit them with a whoa, shoot, all that.